Beard Trimming 101. Now, your beard is like your lawn, and every house looks better when the lawn is maintained. Of course, I had to make a real estate reference, right? Now, this isn't going to be a watch me trim my beard video. You can find those on YouTube. This is going to be for additional tips that those videos don't usually mention, that I've learned over the years. Number 1, never trim your beard when you first wake up and roll out of bed. You've been sleeping on it all night and the hair is all over the place, so it looks messier than it actually is. You're going to want to wet and dry your beard first to get it into the natural shape before you start trimming. Number 2, never trim your beard when it's wet. When the hair is wet, it's not sitting in the actual position it'll dry in. You'll end up trimming too much or in the wrong spots. You want your beard to settle into its natural, everyday position so that you can ensure you're keeping the right shape and not trimming off too much or in the wrong spot. 3, use beard scissors instead of a machine. Your beard will tend to grow faster in some places or in different directions in some places, so you want to have the scissor in hand because it's a little bit more precise and you can definitely shape the beard better than using a machine and just going over it. You might take off too much or in the wrong spot. Also, you're going to want to avoid the temptation of throwing a guard on your clipper and just going into your beard all over same length. I know it seems like that would make sense because it'll make your beard even, but because your beard hair grows in different shapes at different speeds, you're going to end up having an uneven beard if you just go through it with one clipper. Then as you build confidence with the scissors, you can start to use the clipper to maybe go down the sideburns, maintain the shape once you get used to doing it with the scissors and you kind of know how to handle the machine. 4, wear a contrasting t-shirt or towel so it's easier to see the flyaways. Now I have dark hair, so I usually wear a white t-shirt or a white towel standing against a white background so that when I'm looking in the mirror and I turn my head, I can kind of see the hairs that are sticking out against all the white contrast. And finally, as with most things in life, a little bit goes a long way. Keep the flyaway hairs trimmed and the lines clean. I use a Fusion razor blade with a straight edge on the back to do my lines. Make sure to leave any of the heavy lifting with the clippers to your barber until you're comfortable with using the clippers yourself to maintain the shape and get rid of the flyaways. And if you make a mistake, it's okay, it's hair, it'll grow back eventually, hopefully. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions. Talk to you soon.